Even before this weekend's events and this impact that we're seeing on the energy markets and how that could impact inflation, there's already a hawkish shift underway at the Fed. Key core categories of consumer inflation are still running at high levels. Super core inflation and CPI report ticked up in the most recent data, but then leading indicators of inflation are sending a warning as well, and that includes the producer price index. This blue line on here is a year-over-year change in the producer price index. The headline number increased by 2.9%, but the core figure that excludes food and energy came in at 3.6%. That was well ahead of estimates for 3%. So that's what this blue line on here is, core PPI. And what it does is it overlays core PPI with core CPI, consumer inflation. That's the dash line on here. And you can see, when you look back, core PPI can lead, these changes in CPI. There's this inflection over into 2020, and then how we turned higher coming out of the pandemic. Core PPI peaked well ahead of CPI and started moving lower. Now we've had this bump higher since early 2024. That's looking like it might be accelerating once again. So if we continue to see this core PPI accelerating, that's a big warning signal on the outlook for consumer inflation.